In a world that often feels chaotic, escaping our day-to-day lives through serene, beautiful environments can offer immense value. These escapes provide opportunities for relaxation, reflection, and revitalization, helping us break free from the noise of everyday life.
It's so important for people to take some time away from their everyday life, away from the stressors, going somewhere away from what you see every day, what you know every day, and just seeing something new, experiencing something new. You can experience new people, new faces, new towns, history of those areas that you've been, finding other people's stories, finding your own story in another place, beyond what you've seen in your normal everyday life, to really take time to slow down, rejuvenate, find ways to forget about everything else and relax.
Setting out to create an environment where guests can immerse themselves and connect locally while on vacation. Boutique inns and experiential retreats offer heightened experiences for travelers to have the opportunity to be welcomed and indulge in this oasis of escape.
I've done a lot of travel in my life. I've been to big hotels, Airbnbs, boutique inns, small resorts. What I find is that with those boutique inns, you have the personalized service. You have the amenities, you have the attention to detail that you're not going to find in an Airbnb, where maybe they give you a key code or tell you where to pick the key up and then you're on your own for the rest of your trip.
Staying at a large hotel, you won't have personal treatment, you won't meet the staff, even the owners. In most cases, a boutique hotel, the owner's there and you get to sort of hang out and see what life is like in that small town. They're going to have very good relationships with the local businesses, restaurants, shops.
You have folks that can tell you, where's the best place to eat? Where can I go find a great experience? They'll bring the experiences to you versus you trying to determine, what am I going to do while I'm here? A boutique inn is a perfect place to find that unique charm of the area, of the people, of the things that you would not find elsewhere.
Nestled across 35 acres of landscaped gardens, meadows, and forest on Maryland's eastern shore, Brampton 1860 celebrates a tradition of excellence, placing peace and tranquility, fine food, and gracious hospitality at the forefront of everything that they do, in order to provide comfortable and luxurious accommodations to their beloved guests.
My wife and I have traveled all over the world, and what we discovered was that we really liked to be able to just forget about the cares for just a few days.
And as we continued to come back to Brampton, we just fell more and more in love with the place, with the inn, with the community, with the town, with the people that work here. And when the opportunity came along, we decided we're going to stay.
We decided to purchase the Brampton. We just decided we wanted to live here and make it our own and welcome the guests ourselves.
When guests come to the Brampton 1860, we're hoping that they experience the little details. They don't realize what those details are, but it's part of what makes them feel at home.
We cultivate an experience that you'll never get anywhere else.
We offer 13 unique accommodations, 7 spacious rooms and suites here in the beautiful manor house.
In a house that was built over 160 years ago, but feels like you're coming home. The main house has gas fireplaces in your room, so you get to experience every season that you want to stay at the Brampton.
And 6 private cottages.
Our cottages offer beautiful Japanese soaking tubs, garden tubs, whirlpool tubs.
We have in-suite bathrooms.
Wood-burning fireplaces.
Anything you can imagine for your comfort, we've thought about for you. So you can choose how you would like to experience Brampton 1860 on your getaway. We host wonderful events, from weddings to retreats to family reunions to couples getaways. At Brampton 1860, we're able to cater any type of vacation you may choose.
Here at Brampton 1860, our staff are the best in the world. We've had staff members that have been with us for 35 years, so we've cultivated people that really enjoy working here and working with our guests and talking with them, as well as the relationships we built in town with our other vendors, the shops, the restaurants, One of the best guest experiences we can give is to get them in with some of the partners we have in town. Some very unique places that are amazing that you'll never find anywhere else.
At Brampton 1860, peace and tranquility is just a quintessential part of what we offer to our guests. You see the beauty, you see our gardens, you see everything that we've tried to create for you, and you'd never want to leave.
Some of the best experiences we have at Brampton 1860 are just our interactions with the guests, seeing how much they enjoy the property and what it really means to them to be able to relax a little bit.
Sitting out by the fire pit, just enjoying themselves, enjoying each other, that for me is the epitome of what we were trying to achieve, and like we've done our job.
Brampton 1860. Fine accommodations and hospitality since 1987. Book your stay today by visiting BramptonInn.com.